Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna make blueberry breakfast cookies. These are very healthy, high protein cookies made with just rolled oats, bananas, peanut butter, whey protein powder, and fresh blueberries. They are really easy to make. They do not need any other ingredient, no artificial sweeteners required, and you can easily have it in the morning with your coffee and tea, and you're gonna love this. You'll start with adding oats. I'm gonna add 2 cups of rolled oats, protein powder, unsweetened peanut butter, chopped bananas. Mash the bananas using a fork. Combine everything until they all get well mixed. Now that these ingredients are mixed, I'm going to add the fresh blueberries. Slightly fold the blueberries with the batter. So now these are done. You got to bake these cookies at 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius for 12 minutes. Fresh off from the oven, these blueberry breakfast protein cookies are ready. They are packed with protein. They get protein from 2 sources, one from whey protein powder and another from peanut butter. This is every gym goer's favorite cookie recipe. You can easily make this at home within no time.